pair programming is probably the most extreme of extreme programming techniques. It was described first by the C2 team, the project in which Kent Beck and others invented extreme programming, the agile discipline, and was described in Kent's fantastic book Extreme Programming Explained at the end of the 90s. Wikipedia describes pair programming as an agile software development technique in which two programmers work together at one workstation. One, the driver, writes code, while the other, the observer or navigator, reviews each line of code as it's typed in. The two programmers switch roles frequently. I think that's a reasonable description of what it is that we're talking about. The other thing that I kind of like, which comes from the Extreme Programming book, is this diagram, which shows pair programming and its relationships to the other extreme programming practices. I think with the benefits of a couple of decades of hindsight and practical experience, I'd tend to put pair programming closer to the middle of this picture now. I think it's one of those things that really acts as the grease in the wheels between nearly all of the others. It makes all of those others easier to practice. So this collaborative way of working can bring many benefits. It can allow us to explore ideas collectively. It can allow us to find the better ideas, but also it allows us to learn from one another. This is all very nice, but why really do we need to bother? Well, software development is a creative discipline. For most people, creativity is amplified when we share that creativity and get to bounce ideas off other people. Software is technically difficult. It's fragile, so having somebody else review our work is a really good thing. Traditionally, we'd approach that part of the problem with ideas like code reviews, and they're very good things. Having a second opinion can be a big help. But there's several problems with conventional reviews, particularly when we start considering them in the realm of continuous integration and continuous delivery.